Ziggy Gillespie. Anyway, this is why we like our Christmas puddings. And there you go. But hey! Cause I cannot stand that advert anymore. It's been out since October and now I'm really bored. I'd rather go and get pissed up next door. Have 10 pints to come crashing through your bloody back doors. Cause I've had enough of that advert anymore. Needs to be faster. Santa Clauses out of some 3mm plate. We've cut these to size. Got a bit of a ball welded on front back side. And what we've done with these, we just put a bit of a chisel edge on them. So burn the tail out! Burn it! We're all on fire. And what we do here, quit ash. Just putting some texture on his beards. Yeah. Try not to burn my legs. And then it goes back in fire. And as you can see, we're woo, that's what I've got here. I'm just banging them over a bit. I'm just going to knock his little hat there. Just bend him out a bit. There, like that. What we're going to do is tap these over a little bit. And what we're doing, we're going to give these away over Christmas holidays. So if you like this page, you've got to like the page and share it with all your mates this Christmas. We're going to give 8 of these away. They're like little Santa hooks, as you can see here. Like they sit on stuff and you can put a little bit, but that's what we're going to be. So we're just bending these around. We're going to like that. Woo! There, wow. Watch your legs. Oh. So I see how that's closing up there. That's his little hat there. And what we do, just bend that a bit. Hit that ball there. So bend that. And then take it back and forth. Wow. And sit out there. I'm just going to put a bit of life in that outlet there. Bend it over a bit. Just a bit of kink there. Yeah. Fold his hat over a bit there. And then we're going to take him over onto the bench over there and weld the 16mm ball. On the edge of his hat there. Give it a bit of a polish up. Like this. And look, be like me, be naughty this year and save Santa the effort. So he's not coming for me this year. So anyway, you're going to get 8 of these. We're giving them all away, little Santas. So thanks for watching, everybody out there, for all lads here. We're going to have a beer. So on 3, lads. Merry Christmas. 1, 2, 3. So see you next year, and like and share this page.